On this 2016 Navara pickup truck, we've installed a transponder immobiliser. So additional to the factory security, we've added some extra tech just to prevent theft by key cloning or key theft, etc. So this little fob needs to be swiped before the vehicle will start. So you'll see just down there we've put a little red flashing LED just to show the system's armed. If we try to start with the system armed, foot on the brake, will not start. There we go. So what we need to do is swipe the transponder fob in an area of the vehicle specified by the customer, which we've done. So we'll if we swipe the transponder fob, once we've swiped it, you'll see the LED goes out, simple as that. But then we can attempt to start again and the vehicle starts. So it will only start once the fob has been swiped. Once we turn the engine off, it will automatically immobilise after 25 seconds. So all the time the LED is flashing fast as it is there, you're able to start the vehicle. No problem at all, no need to swipe the fob anymore. Once the LED state changes to a slow pulse, the system's fully armed, the system's immobilised, vehicle won't start without seeing a swipe of the fob. Quite straightforward, nice cost-effective way of securing your vehicle from key theft.